favorite gadgets, I swear by it, is the Nutribullet. I have had this for over a decade. It still works perfectly. The only thing I've ever had to replace was the blade. This is the best blender I've ever had. In fact, it's the only blender I use. I use it every single day of my life. And what I love about it is that you can pulverize spinach and dates without chopping anything up, and it blends in so your kids don't even know that they're having spinach. So what I'm gonna make for you is my morning smoothie. I make this every single day. It is the absolute best and it's so simple. All I do, I'm gonna use almond milk, but first I'm gonna put in my frozen bananas. So I just freeze bananas. I put that in the bottom of it. And then here I have 2 dates and spinach. Again, no chopping needed. Just put it right in. And then I add in some chia seeds. And I'm gonna make this one like a spicy Mayan one. So I have some cinnamon here and some cayenne pepper for a little spice. And then this is my protein powder. It's a chocolate protein powder. I put that in, and I put in some almond milk, some organic almond milk into that. So simple. You just put on the blade, the Nutribullet blade, and it is ready to drink. So easy to wash this. So what I love about it is, and unlike other blenders where it can be a lot of components that you gotta deal with, this just goes right to the sink. So simple to rinse it off and be ready to use it all over again very quickly. Like, look how fast that cleaned off. And then you can sip right out of this. In fact, you even have a to-go lid that can go right on top of it. And out the door you go with your protein smoothie. So one of my absolute favorite products is the Nutribullet. I've had it for over a decade and it is absolutely phenomenal. A perfect way to sneak in some vegetables as well for your kids who think they're just having a delicious smoothie, but they're actually having lots of vegetables in there.